I just want to show you how to fold the panels for this piece, which opens up accordion style. And this fold will be for this section right here. What you do is you fold it in half horizontally. And the other way. And then these folds are valleys. So you want to make a mountain fold going the other way. Just line up your corners and fold it where it meets up with the horizontal lines right there. And then when it folds together, it folds up like this. And then you just do, for the next one, you do the opposite. You fold mountains for these horizontal and vertical lines and a valley for the diagonal line. It's like this one has the mountain for this and the valleys for the crisscross lines, the vertical and horizontal lines. And then on this one, the mountains are for the vertical and horizontal, and the valley is for the diagonal line. And the two pieces would be glued together. It'd be glued together this way to fold up.